Hey everyone. If you want to get faster results with Grok AI, today I'll show you some simple speed optimization tips you can use in 2026. First, always write clear and concise prompts. The more specific and direct your question, the quicker Grok AI can understand and respond. Next, use saved prompt templates for tasks you do often. This avoids rewriting questions and speeds up your workflow. Keep prompts focused. Don't ask too many questions at once. It can slow down responses or make answers less accurate. Instead of one long prompt, break it into follow-up questions. This often produces faster and more precise answers. Make sure your browser or Grok AI app is up to date. Updates often improve speed and overall performance. Many Grok AI versions support shortcuts. Learning them lets you navigate and submit prompts faster without clicking around. And that's it. Following these tips, you can use Grok AI faster and get your results quickly. Hope this helps, and yeah, happy speeding through your tasks.